Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm really thrilled to share something awesome with you all. How to get unlimited gold and money in Real Racing 3. Just take a quick look at my phone. You'll see I've managed to gather an incredible amount of resources. And guess what? I'm going to walk you through how you can do it too. This method is super straightforward. It doesn't matter if you're using an iOS or Android device, and you definitely don't need any special technical skills. All it takes is a bit of your time to watch this video and carefully follow each step I show. So, if you're eager to massively boost your resources in Real Racing 3 and enjoy everything the game has to offer, you're in the right place. Stick with me, follow along, and let's get those resources flowing. Let's get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Real Racing 3 and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.